Welcome back to Real Life Wednesday. You ever catch yourself saying, I've been good all week. I deserve this. That, my friends, and I borrowed this from a good friend, is called Stinkin Thinkin. And it's one of the sneakiest traps that keep people stuck in their diet hamster wheel. What we're doing actually is that we're rationalizing it. We negotiate. But the truth is, when you're constantly on a blood sugar roller coaster, your brain can't tell the difference between reward and a relapse. High carb processed foods hijack your dopamine. That's the same pathway linked to addiction. So when you treat yourself, your brain's reward system lights up like Times Square. The next day, guilt, cravings, inflammation, fatigue, and that awful feeling that you've lost all progress. But you didn't fail. Your brain chemistry just outsmarted your good intentions. So when you lower your carbs and stabilize insulin, you calm that circuitry. But you have to be consistent. Adding it in every week, you'll never get there. But when you do, you'll think clearer. You can pause before reacting. That's when the rational brain, not the stinking thinking, starts running the show again. So the next time you hear that little voice say, I deserve this, answer it back with, I deserve to feel better tomorrow. If you've caught yourself in this loop before, drop a little bomb emoji in the comments and tag a friend who needs this reminder today. And remember, when you are consistent, you will start getting all the hormonal benefits. The leptin, the ghrelin comes into place, all the benefits of being keto or carnivore. And then this lifestyle becomes much easier. This is Dr. Rose. I'll see you tomorrow in the next Daily Spoonful.